Hello kababayan, kumusta? If you're watching this video, most probably nag-response ka sa Facebook ad ko. Anyway, full name ko is Ernie, last name is Lim, spelled Lim. In-check ako, pero mas mukha akong Mexicano. Just look at my face, mas mukha akong Mexicano. I've been a real estate broker and home loan broker for the last maybe 20 years. It's been too long. Since then, marami na akong natulungan na kababayan natin katulad mo na mga first-time buyer transitioning from being a renter to a homeowner. So kung first-time home buyer ka din and if you need help, just send me a text or call me, no? Huwag kang mahiya. Then on the following segment, nag-include ako ng mga 7 previous client, sample lang, and watch them, see them how they benefited sa aking service. No? Who knows, ikaw nang susunod kong ma-bless. Okay? Talk to you later.
I come before you today. There's just one thing that I want to say. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for all you've given to me, for all the blessings that I